All right, let's make TikTok boat dip. We need a cup of sour cream. We're working with what we got in the content.
What does that mean?
You have to wear them to the pool. Yeah, we have to wear them if we go to the pool. A packet of pocket seasoning.
Yeah, it says if you lose these, you have to pay $25. So if you lose it, go for it.
And a Rotel. Yeah, got your phone. Yeah. Everybody else is in the background.
I don't know how many of them. We gotta be like spoons or forks.
A packet of cheese.
I'm gonna watch them. Making them. Yeah.
Then you're gonna mix all that up.
Jump in the first.
All right, once you got it mixed up, it's good to go. You can serve with any kind of tortilla chips or Fritos, and it's good to go.